Assalamualaikum, my name is AHMAD SHAKIL, and I will tell what I have learned from this lab 02. Okay, the first one, chapter 5, tutorial 5.5. The first one is I learned how to add polygons layer into map. Besides that, I learned to export data into map as a layer. And the last in the tutorial 5.5 is export to topography drawing maps by using CAD file. From tutorial 5.6, I learned by adding or inserting with various base map into blank drawing. And then we go to chapter 6. I learned in task 3 is from this tutorial I learned about geo-referencing tool and control point. And the second one is I learned to layering spot pen B layer and root layer. And then we go to tutorial 6.5. Firstly, I learned to put original layer and then change it to another new layer by using export data. And then I remove the original layers and editing the new layer. And then tutorial 6.2, I learned how to click the geo-processing data by accessing the input-output features. And then we go to chapter 7. From tutorial 7.1, I learned how to insert data into each layer and also learned to create features. After that, I learned to create a new polygon in future class. And the last, I learned to add features into layers. And then we go to chapter 7.2. First, I learned snipping tool, and also I know the functions of snipping tool. The first function is create road bus on the map, and second one is create road line on the map such as bus route. And then we go to tutorial 7.3. I learned to add drop-off point in each intersections along the bus route. And then we go to tutorial 7.4. I learned how to trace the boundary of the area in the map. And second one is I learned the function of smooth tool to produce a smooth polygons. And the last, tutorial 7.5, I learned to put building features of polygons into images by using spatial adjustments tool as in function to fit in the images. Thank you very much.
AhMAD SHAKIL bin SHUKOR. I will show how to do tutorial 7.3. First one is you have to save this file as tutorial 7.3 and then you click save. After that, you click the window for catalogs and you will see here the catalog tree. And then you select the chapter 7.gdb and you right click for the new feature class. And then you will type bus stop. And type of feature stop in this feature class is point features. Then you click next. And then you will see this NAD 1983 State Plan Pennsylvania South FITS 3702 USD. And you select and then you click next 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you find this table. And then you type in this field stop name as a new field and select text as a data type. And then you click finish. Then you will see this geographic coordinate system warning and you just click close. Okay, after that you close the catalog tree and then you go to customize and then you click toolbars and you search for snapping and you find this kind of small tables. You select the endpoint and vertex. Okay, vertex and the endpoint, just select to turn all snapping option off. In the table of contents, click legend symbols for bus stop layer, and you search for change the symbol to circle to and color to Mars red, and the size to 8. And you just click OK, and then you zoom to Center Avenue bookmarks, and you go to Editor toolbar, and then you go to Customize toolbars and click Editor, and you right it here, okay, and then you click Editor and start editing. Click bus stops and you click OK, and then you just continue. On Editor toolbars, click Create Features button. So you can see here Create Features, and just click bus stops, and in the Construction Tools panel you click Point, and then you click to place the following approximate bus stop points along Center Avenue bookmarks. You just click here, here, in each intersections. When finished, click Editor and stop editing, and then you click Yes to save bus stop points. That's all from me. Thank you.